How to sell crypto on Bybit exchange. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, we'll be discussing about selling the crypto on the Bybit exchange. So let's get started. First of all, you have to open your Bybit application on your device, and here you can see the Bybit dashboard. Now let's review my assets by accessing the spot account to check for any cryptocurrency available for the sale. In case there are none, you can make a deposit. So if you have any TRX that you are intending to sell, let's proceed by navigating back to Bybit to initiate trading. So click on the trade tab to access the spot trading page and select the sell tab and then choose the pairing. In this instance, you can also sell your TRX for the USDT. The prices are displayed with sell orders in the red section and buy orders in the green section. Typically, sell orders have higher prices than the buy orders. You can enter your desired price in the limit section or choose from the available options. And once the price is set, input the amount or use a quick calculation to determine your potential earnings from selling your crypto balance. Click on sell after confirming the details, and if you are content with the arrangement, following this you will have a sell order reflected by a red dot, and if it is in the buy order section it will be automatically sold. So if in the sell order section you must wait for a buyer at that price. Later on, if your sell order is no longer visible, you can proceed to check the trade history as well. In this way you will successfully sell your TRX for the USDT and also verify your assets in the spot account, which will now contain USDT. So this is the process of selling the cryptocurrency on the Bybit exchange. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing for more helpful tips and tutorials.